Mataram. They fill our hearts with love for our country. Our national animal is Royal Bengal Tiger. It shows strength and bravery. Our national bird is Peacock. It reminds us of the beauty of nature. Our national flower is lotus. Our national fruit is the mango, the king of fruits. Let us love, respect and protect our national symbols. I love my country. Thank you. Jai Hind.